Do you suspect a prescription drug injury? Here's what to do. The Food and Drug Administration regulates the nation's pharmaceutical industry. They determine which drugs are sold within the U.S. They also monitor how safe drugs are. If the FDA learns of serious safety risks involving a drug, they will ask the manufacturer to voluntarily recall the product. Unfortunately, sometimes a drug can harm patients before a recall is issued. Here is what you should do. See your healthcare provider as soon as possible. Don't stop taking any prescribed medications without speaking with your doctor first. Report it to the FDA. They rely on reports in order to safely monitor drugs and keep the population safe. Gather and maintain your medical information by keeping copies of medical records. Speak with an attorney. Not all lawyers are qualified to deal with drug injuries. Davis Saperstein & Solomon is a highly equipped personal injury firm that has decades of experience. We will provide a free and confidential consultation and can immediately begin investigating your claim. Call us now.